This is our video number part 10. In this video, we are going to learn about shell command. Shell command basically used for making hollow objects or making thin wall objects. So let's see. We'll go to shell command. Here we have two methods, open and close. So first I'll choose open method. Now we have to specify the face that we want to remove it. So I'll select one face to remove. Here we can specify the thickness value, how much we want to keep it. I'll define 5 mm. So here we have this arrow to change the direction. We want to keep it outside or inside. Next, we can also remove more than one faces. I want to remove more faces. We can select multiple faces and remove it. Next, we have alternate faces. Right now, whole body have a 5 mm thickness. If you want to add different thickness to all the faces, we can define by using this option. I select this face. I'll put the thickness like this is 4 mm. We can use add and select other wall and define the thickness. I set this to be 8 mm. Again, we'll click on add. I set this to be 9 mm. Add this to be 6 mm. Like that way, we can define multiple thickness to this one single part body. If you want to remove any thickness, go to list and you can delete that particular thickness from here. So we'll keep it and do OK. Now next, we'll see the close option. Let's delete this shell. We'll go back to shell option and define the close option. So here we have to select the solid body that we have to make it shell. We'll select this part and define the thickness of the wall to be maintained. I'm taking here 3 mm. If you want to take alternate faces thickness, we can define that. If you're not required, we don't use that. Now we'll apply. So this part become hollow from inside. To view that, we'll go to view, and here we have edit section, or we can also use Ctrl H as a shortcut. Click on this. So we can see in X plane, Y plane, or Z plane, or we can also make our plane and we can see the direction, in which direction we want to see the cross section. We can also move this in the direction and we can see the cross section accordingly and do OK. So this will give you internal view. So this is how we have learned about shell command. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.